This tutorial demonstrates how to use the encyclopedias in Gale eBooks through North Seattle College. Beginning at the college website, northseattle.edu, navigate to the library header in the blue banner at the top of the page. Click on this and it will redirect you to the library's homepage. On the left side, you'll see a navigation menu mentioning encyclopedia and reference tools. This list has many helpful encyclopedia and reference sources, and Gale eBooks is the second one down. If you are on campus, this resource will open right away. If you're off campus, you'll need to sign in using your last name and your student ID. As you scroll this list, you'll see each one of these photos is actually the cover of a book that is a subject specialty encyclopedia. You have some choices about how to find information in this resource. If you're looking for information on multicultural education, you could go to the section on education or multicultural studies and browse through titles until you find something that looks relevant and interesting to you. Or you can use the search box at the top and try to find information with keywords on your topic. When you do this, all of the titles are searched at once, regardless of the relevance to your topic. When I search multicultural education, I get a lot of results. I am realizing as I look at this that I am interested specifically in multicultural education in the United States and not India or Canada or Korea. I also see that there are many subject specialty encyclopedias on my topic. I choose multicultural teacher education and click on the result to open the article. It's an encyclopedia article, so it's edited into little chunks with headings similar to a textbook, and it's not super long, just enough to get me started. I see a lot of ideas and vocabulary here for me already. I also see more like this on the right-hand side that I can click on and learn more about. Encyclopedias are great to get an overview of information, and they're usually written by educated professionals who demonstrate their research and bibliographies. One major benefit of using Gale eBooks is that you can cite it in your research and your professor will accept the information as credible, as opposed to Wikipedia, which is a much longer conversation. At the top of the page, I'm able to click the Send To button, which will allow me to email this to myself or a classmate, and also put it in my Google Drive or OneDrive if I have my research organized in that way. Let us know if you have any follow-up questions regarding Gale eBooks or subject specialty encyclopedias by contacting us at nscclibrary@seattlecolleges.edu. Thanks for watching.